one were to compete with Hyderabad, compete with Chennai, compete with Bangalore, it's very important. Vizag becomes the economic growth engine. That is it. In fact, if I were to have any vested interest, probably I would be speaking about Kadapa. The state is ours. And one in my place should think in terms of what is good for the next generation. How would we want our children to be positioned? How are the state's revenues going to be? Where is the growth going to come from? And how exactly can we boost these revenues to support the growth of Andhra Pradesh? If we do not think like this in terms of growth for Vizag, then who would think? If the vision of the leader is wrong, if the vision of the leader is negative, then Vizag will not grow. Today, unfortunately, only person standing for Visakhapatnam as executive capital, it's only me. This is the reality. Fighting against the entire opposition.
తిరిగి రాసే అవకాశం మనకుంది. అందుకే మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నా, హైదరాబాద్ కి 30 సంవత్సరాలు పడితే విశాఖపట్నానికి 10 సంవత్సరాలు చాలు. చరిత్ర తిరిగి రాద్దాం, కలిసికట్టుగా చేద్దామని విశాఖపట్నం ప్రజలందరినీ కోరుకుంటూ